How to use CRM to increase customer engagement and retention. Hi everyone! In this video, we will explore what a CRM is, how it can help improve customer engagement, and what strategies you can use to retain customers. Let's get started. First things first, what is a CRM? A CRM or Customer Relationship Management System is a software tool that helps businesses manage their customer data, interactions, and relationships. A CRM is designed to help companies understand their customers better, and ultimately, build stronger and more profitable relationships with them. How can a CRM increase customer engagement? One of the main benefits of using a CRM is that it can help you improve customer engagement. Here's how. Personalization. A CRM allows you to collect and analyze customer data, such as purchase history and preferences, to personalize your interactions with them. This can include personalized emails, product recommendations, and offers. Targeted marketing. With a CRM, you can segment your customers based on demographics, behavior, and other factors to create targeted marketing campaigns that are more likely to resonate with them. Improved customer service. A CRM helps you track customer interactions and history, which can help you provide better customer service. This includes faster response times, more accurate information, and personalized support. How can a CRM help retain customers? Now that we know how a CRM can help increase customer engagement, let's talk about how it can help retain customers. Here are a few strategies you can use. Customer loyalty programs. A CRM can help you track customer loyalty and reward them for their business. This can include loyalty points, discounts, or exclusive offers. Proactive communication. A CRM can help you identify potential issues or opportunities with customers and proactively reach out to them. This can include reminding them of upcoming renewals, checking in after a purchase, or sending personalized offers. Customer feedback. A CRM can help you gather customer feedback and use it to improve your products and services. This can include surveys, reviews, or social media monitoring. Conclusion. Remember, the key is to use your CRM to gather data and insights on your customers, then use that information to personalize your interactions, target your marketing, and improve your products and services. By doing so, you can build stronger relationships with your customers and increase their loyalty and retention. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need help choosing right CRM software, don't hesitate to reach out to us.